There's been a lot of interest in encouraging bicycling and walking, active types of travel or non-motorized transportation. We've worked with researchers across the country to develop this field. The City of Minneapolis and Transit for Livable Communities have been awarded a major grant, about $25 million from Congress. It's called the Non-Motorized Pilot Project, and the objective was to augment facilities for biking and walking. And an element of that was evaluation. We lacked any consistent measurements of bicycle and pedestrian volumes. The City of Minneapolis had begun an initial program where they recruited volunteers to do counts at specified locations. So they're simply volunteers with pads and pencils. And our work involved trying to elevate that and use more sophisticated technologies. What we showed was that we can use different technologies to obtain much better and more complete, more robust data than the programs that relied on volunteers. And our students have done many capstones with Minneapolis Department of Public Works, Transit for Livable Communities, Hennepin County, MnDOT, and other agencies related to transportation. And as a result of that work, MnDOT, Hennepin County, the Arrowhead Regional Development Commission, the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources, all based on the student work, have implemented new monitoring programs. For the past 20 years, a priority of at the federal level has been to generate more data on biking and walking. And as a result, what we've been able to do is show and contribute research papers that evaluate different technologies, show which technologies have the smallest error rates in collecting these data. Our papers, several of which have won awards, are more generally shaping the way that people collect and analyze these data all across the U.S. I've been able to work with remarkable students, really bright and brilliant colleagues, and a series of dedicated public servants at the local, state, and national levels who are all committed to trying to address these challenges.